Hey friends, Mike Sherry back with Sherry 4x4, and today I'm showing off a sweet ride. This is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport, but it's special. Let's take a look. This is the all-new Sarge green Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. As you can see, it's not stock. This has been sent to a company called Rocky Ridge, and it's been upfitted with their K2 Wrangler package. And I'm going to go over the features of that package along with some of the features of this Jeep Wrangler. Starting off up front here, Rocky Ridge upgrades the bumper to a steel bumper. Has some nice big tie hooks here, built-in 20-inch LED light strip. It's ready for a winch, painted to match the same vehicle as the Jeep, and it also acts as a skid plate up here, as you can see. Rocky Ridge also upgrades to a 3.5-inch suspension lift here. You can see how nicely done the work is here. Just drove this vehicle down the road. Rides absolutely beautiful, and part of that's due to these 35-inch rubber BFGoodrich. These are the KO2 tires. These are engineered tires. BFGoodrich spent 7 years in engineering this tire for on-road and particularly off-road use, and it's the tire all the converters want, right? Upgraded fender flares here that are wider than the factory, so you don't get the dirt going down the side of your Jeep as bad. Rocky Ridge badging, upgraded steps. Even the spare tire has the same wheel. That's the 20-inch fuel. That's an alloy wheel as well, so it's going to look good for years and years to come. Coming back here, you can see this is the hard top. It's a 3-piece hard top. 2 front pieces are like T-tops. I'll show you those when we get in, and they come with a bag to put the T-tops in. Rocky Ridge also upgrades the matting to a nice weatherproof mat. This Jeep, I noticed, was really quiet when driving down the road, and it wasn't all over the road like some lifted Jeeps out there. This is professionally done. Rocky Ridge actually warranties everything they do for 3 years, 36,000 miles, which is the same as the Jeep warranty. Adjustable seat. Let's jump in. Notice the Rocky Ridge mats. Show you some of the features here of the Jeep. It does have adjustable mirrors that are also defroster, power locks, power window controls down here, has your media controls here, aux buttons there for your LED light in the bumper, heating and air conditioning controls here. Does have the heated steering wheel and heated seats up front here, which is really nice. Has a touchscreen display here. This is going to come with 6 months of satellite radio, satellite Sirius radio. Has connectivity for your phone through USB and Bluetooth. Hands-free phone control, so you can talk on your phone through the automobile as well. Heated steering wheel and heated seat controls there. So a lot of nice features there, nicely and cleanly done on that touch screen. On the steering wheel, we have cruise control, we have your hands-free Uconnect connectivity for your phone, and controls here are going to control the center display there. It's going to show you your tire pressure, fuel mileage, different things of that sort. Now, still have the manual switch to put it into 4-wheel drive, which I absolutely love. You can kick it down into 4 low or 4 high, or driving 2 high on the interstate. It does have the center shifter where you can also select what gear you're in. I love the Jeep badging, and the red button there really sets it off well. If you're looking for a Jeep that's lifted, that's sweet, that's different than everyone else's, if you do a lot of on-road but also some off-road, check out the Rocky Ridge Jeeps. We're the #1 Rocky Ridge Jeep dealer in the nation. We can build a custom Jeep for you as well through them. Beautiful thing about partnering with Rocky Ridge is they've done the research, they've done the R&D, they've done the testing, and they know what components go right on this Jeep, and they've really hit a home run on this one. Drives super sweet, does well off-road as well. Unfortunately, this being a new vehicle, I can't take this one off-road, but make it yours, you can do just that. So financing is available on this. You can submit an application right on our website. It's secure. It's no obligation. I'll post a link there for that below in the comments. Also, trade-ins are definitely welcome. If you have a vehicle you'd like to trade in, we'll pay you top dollar for it. You can try to mess around trying to sell it yourself, but I tell you what, you'll probably get just the same amount trading in with us. So with that, my name's Mike. I'm signing out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments. Shoot me a hello, and if you find your way in the store, hunt me down. I'd love to talk with you. Take care, everyone. Have an enjoyable rest of your day.